That is why your chest will be open. Okay, then fold your legs, grab. Your chest should be open only. Press into the pelvic, hold. Lift the legs and drop the legs. Lift the legs, drop the legs. Lift the legs, drop the legs. And after 3 rounds, you can drop your chest. Illi, kaal hiditiralla, this is where you have to leave the pressure on. Double leg Shalabhasanadalli elli pressure barutta, this is where you have to leave the pressure on. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ನ ಕೊಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ